feels like. And right now it's a still night in my windpipe. I can't breathe, but I still fight. Well, I can fight as long as the road feels right. It's like I'm in flight, high off a love, drunk from my hate. It's like I'm huffing pain. I love her the more I suffer. I suffocate right before I'm about to drown. She resuscitates me. She fucking hates me, and I love it. Wait, where you going? I'm leaving you. No, you ain't come back. We're running right back. Here we go again. It's so insane, cause when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman with the wind in his back. She's slow as lane, but when it's bad, it's awful. I feel so ashamed. I snap. Who's that dude? I don't even know his name. I laid hands on him. I never stoop so low again. I guess I don't know my own strength.
DJ Carter.
So they say it's best to go your separate ways. Guess that they don't know you, cause today, that was yesterday. Yesterday is over, it's a different day. Sound like broken records playing over, but you promised us next time you'll show it straight. You don't get another chance. Life is no Nintendo game, but too loud a cane. Now you get to watch her leave out the window. Guess that's why they call it window pane.
DJ Carter. DJ Carter.